Assalamu alaikum everybody. Assalamu alaikum. क्या हाल है आपके? Look at what I'm looking at right now. This is live. This is snow. This is happening while I'm cooking. We are having big chunky snowflakes. It's accumulating on the trees. दरख्तों के ऊपर चिपक रही है वो मोटी मोटी snow आ रही है नीचे और of course it's very cold over here. So I was craving one of my favorite, all-time favorite, let's say, aloo chole with naan. Aloo chole is chickpeas and potatoes curry for lunch I'm making. So let's get started. 2 tablespoons of olive oil, no more than that, because I'm trying to keep it kind of healthy. 1 large onion diced. Saute it for a few minutes and let it get soft. Then I'll add half teaspoon of salt to bring the sugars out, 1 teaspoon of cumin, toast the cumin, then add 2 teaspoons of ginger and garlic paste, and I'm going to let it brown with the onions. Okay, smelling good already. अभी से ही बहुत अच्छी सी इसकी खुशबू आ रही है. And I'm going to let all this keep cooking for 2 to 3 minutes, let's say. And at some point I'm going to add in the end chole masala. I'm just showing it so you know how it looks like, chole masala. Okay, half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Turmeric powder, haldi powder is very healthy for us, so don't hesitate to add. Even the food looks yellow, but that's fine. I'm adding half a teaspoon. You can add between 1/4 teaspoon to half a teaspoon and let it toast with all the other things. Smelling good too, smelling wonderful. Okay, 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes. They are mild, they are not too hot, but if you like it really hot, you can, instead of this, you can add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, add a little bit water and let the peppers cook. You don't want to burn the peppers in the oil, so when you add pepper, add a little bit of water. Okay, this is 3 cans of chickpeas and 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce, 2 peeled and diced potatoes, and we are going to mix it all good. Saute for a few minutes again. Let everything come together, and then we are going to add 2 teaspoons of chana masala. This is chana masala mix to give it the restaurant flavor. All right, again saute it for a few minutes, toss and turn, and then 3 to 4 cups of water, because we want the chickpeas to become very soft, and the potatoes too, of course. Potatoes and the chickpeas are going to simmer. इसको उबलने देंगे, अब हम पकने देंगे. उतनी देर हम स्नो पे चेक कर लेते हैं. Let's see what's going on. It's still snowing. And let's talk about chane. Chickpeas are healthy, and we have diabetics in this household, so I always try to make things that are, you know, filling but also healthy. So I'm not using too much potatoes. 2 potatoes peeled and 3 cans of chickpeas. And I'm going to keep the spices in check. I'm not going to make it too spicy. Of course, I will garnish with chili, and I will garnish with cilantro leaves. Okay, let's check on the... It's coming out good. I'm going to heat up some naan at the same time, because it's lunchtime and everybody's getting hungry. So getting things done. Let's check the chickpeas. Nice and soft. I'll give it a few more minutes, like 5 more minutes. Between 5 to 10 minutes will be good. They will become nice and soft. Okay, at the end I'm adding a mild green chili. दरमियानी सी मिर्च है इसमें, बहुत ज़्यादा तेज़ नहीं है. And just going to let it cook for a few minutes. Let the flavors of the pepper get mixed with the in the sauce, in the gravy, and a little bit of fresh black pepper crushed fresh black pepper. So that's going to give you an aroma and a little bit of yummy taste, because I'm not adding too much, just to enhance the flavors. Okay, this is done and we are ready to eat. Yep, potatoes are soft, chickpeas are soft. You can make them more soft if you want, but for us it's good. Garnish with cilantro at the last moment. There you go. I like the flavor of it in my food. All right, time to serve. This plate is for you guys. ये plate आपके लिए है. गर्मा गर्म आलू छोले तैयार हैं. Aloo chole is ready. Naan are nice and warm. I heated them up on the grill. And please do let me know how I did in this video. Do you like chickpeas or you don't like chickpeas? This is chickpea and potato curry. And back home, it's a street food and we call it aloo chole. Aloo chole with naan is what we are having for today lunch. So I took the opportunity while they were cooking to make some yummy salad. Again, these are colorful vegetables: tomato, red pepper, green chili. Then we have I have the red onion in there. I also have the yellow lemon that goes very well with the chickpeas and naan. So, you know, adding colors to your food is very important. Eat vegetables, raw vegetables or cooked vegetables that are colorful. Always make sure of that. Naan, yes, naan is not homemade. I bought them from gyro stand, and that's my chickpea curry. Aloo chole ka salan, potatoes and chickpea curry made at home. Yummy street food, weekend food. I hope you like it. If you like it, don't hesitate to comment. Let me know how I did. Am I doing good so far? How do you like the recipe? Was it easy enough for you to make? You have to let me know. And also, if you like people, you know people who I don't know if you like or not, but if you know people who like to spend less time in the kitchen, so go ahead and share it with them. Send them the link, comment, and if you have not subscribed yet to my channel, go ahead and do so. I always try to make food that's a little bit healthier